would like to show you how to fix this standing lamp. This is how it looks like. If you think that the balance is not correct, the way you do it is just you turn this part, the upper part, as tight as possible, but just bear in mind that there is a cable inside connected, which has to be disconnected in order to screw it tighter. And the other way is you check here underneath there is one screw, and if you screw this tight then you will get a straight balance, and this is the third area where you check for the balance. For example, is this part. So if this is screwed properly, then you should have a properly standing lamp. And the way we send it to you guys is we have to separate it in two pieces in order to avoid any damages and to make the transport easier. So what we do is we screw this one off. First of all, let me just show you very quickly how to take one glass. The upper lips and the lower lips, you can see the difference. This is quite high in their measurements as compared to this one, and this is the upper part. So the bigger hole is going up. You take those two clips and pull it together, and then this is how you make sure that the glass is properly safe or properly connected to the metal piece. And the same way goes with this one. You just clips those two metal clips together, and then there you have it. So, and if you want to remove it, for example, what you do is you just pull it to one side and then try to catch the clips on both sides in order not to damage the glass. The glass is very sensitive, so therefore please make sure just pulling it to one side in order to see the clips, and then holding it with both fingers. And this is the way how you safely can remove the glass. So what we do is when we send it to you, what we do is we screw off this part. Okay, there you go. And the other thing is what we do is here inside there are two cables connected to this part. We are removing the two cables in order not to damage the cables during the transit. But don't worry about connecting those two cables, because it doesn't really matter if you connect one to the other one. So the order, it doesn't matter. You can connect this one to this one or this one to this one. Nothing will happen. So don't worry about that one. And what you do is when you receive it, you connect those two cables to those two holes and screw it tight. There are some screws here inside, and then you go up here. You put the cable, the remaining cable inside the hole, and then you screw it tight. So there you go, screw it tight, and that is the whole magic behind the standing lamp.